Pinuri ni Representative Jervil Jinky Luistro ang Senado sa pagtugon nito sa mandato ng konstitusyon. Nagpapaalala rin naman ito na kung anong mandato na dapat ipatupad ay hindi lamang ang pag-convene bilang impeachment court kundi ang pagsasagawa ng trial.
And we commend the action of the Senate of the Philippines for responding to the mandate of the Constitution. Nevertheless, let us all be reminded that what is mandated to be forthwith is not only the convening, it is the trial that is mandated to be forthwith.
Sa isang pulong balitaan na dinaluhan ng mga miyembro ng prosekusyon, sinabi ni Luistro na tinitingnan nila na matapos ang pre-trial, agad silang tutuloy sa presentasyon ng mga testigo, presentasyon ng mga ebidensya at paghahatol kung mapapawalang sala o makukonbig.
We therefore look forward that after the pre-trial, we will immediately proceed to the presentation of witnesses, presentation of evidence, and consequently to the judgment. By judgment, it's only either acquittal or conviction.
Sa kasalukuyan naman ay naghahanda na sila sa pre-trial at trial. Ibinahagi na dito ang team na kanilang nilikha at pinaghati-hatian ng 11 prosecutor ang 4 na article of impeachment para sa threat and destabilization. Pangungunahan ni Senior Deputy Majority Leader Lawrence Defensor kasama sina Congressman Laila de Lima, Bel Zamora at Jinky Luistro.
For threats and destabilization, this is led by our colleague, our SDML, Kong Lawrence Defensor. And with Kong Lawrence Defensor as members of this article or team, we have Kong Laila de Lima, Kong Bel Zamora, and this representation.
Isa pang article of impeachment ay ang bribery na pinamumunuan ni Congressman Joel Chua kasama sina Congressman Roch Gutierrez, Kaka Bagao at Bel Zamora.
Another article is bribery. And this article is being led by Congressman Joel Chua. Joining him in the article of bribery are Congressman Roch Gutierrez, Congresswoman Kaka Bagao, and Congresswoman Bel Zamora.
Sa unexplained wealth ay pamumunuan naman ni Congressman Terry Ridon kasama sina Congressman Sel Jokno, Kaka Bagao, Roch Gutierrez, Joel Chua, Laila de Lima, Jinky Luistro, Lord Jamsuan at Jonathan Kate Flores.
Is unexplained wealth. This article is being led by Congressman Terry Ridon. And with him are the following: Congressman Chel Jokno, Congressman Kakabag-Aw, Congressman Rog Gutierrez. This representation, Congressman Joel Chua, Congresswoman Laila de Lima, Congressman Lord Ansuan, and finally, Congressman Jonathan Keith Flores.
Sa confidential fund naman ay pamumunuan ni Congressman Jinky Luistro kasama sina Chua, Defensor, Gutierrez, Yamsuan, Flores, Jokno at Ridon.
The fourth article is confidential fund. This is to be led by this representation. And with me in this team are the following: Congressman Joel Chua, Congressman Lawrence Defensor, Congressman Rog Gutierrez, Congressman Lord Ansuan, Congressman Jonathan Keith Flores, Congressman Chel Jokno, and Congressman Terry Ridon.
Magkakaroon din naman ng adjustment subalit. Tiniyak ni Luistro na lahat sila ay naghahanda sa napipintong trial at lahat sila ay laging nasa pagdinig na gagawin. Felix Tambongco, The Observer News, DWRB 103.9 News FM. Ikaw ang una.